Hi, good morning. I was browsing a website of UGC NET and I found a very nice paper here, English paper 3 of UGC NET. Now I'm going to make an online test out of it. So I can use any application or a Google form to make an online quiz of from this PDF. But there I have to do a lot of formatting, a lot of copy pasting, and a lot of work. So which will take a lot of time and energy from me. Rather than that, I came across a very nice solution wherein any PDF question paper, MCQ based question, can be converted into an online quiz within minutes. So let's go and check out. Meanwhile, we try to make this into an online quiz. So here is it. Here it is, pdfmock.com, which states convert MCQ PDF question paper into an online quiz within minutes. So here, no cut paste, no more typing content, no more inserting images. And frankly speaking, I loved it. It's way better than Google Forms or any online application backend to create online quiz. So if you are the first time user, you can click here and register yourself as a teacher. And meanwhile, if you go on the website pdfmock.com, you will have a lot of videos, or you can go to the PDF Mock YouTube channel. There you would see a lot of how-to videos. But to register yourself as a teacher, if you have not already, you can put your organization name and organization address and your name as a teacher, your email ID or mobile number for India, and then you can add it. So as soon as you add it, you'll have an access of it. You can have multiple teachers under the same organization. Since I already have an access of it, let's go ahead and start creating a online quiz. So log in here with my email ID. I will get an OTP after I hit request OTP. So here it is. And then let me go and check my email for this OTP. Yeah, I have received the OTP. It's pretty fast. And then I insert the OTP here. I validate myself. And as soon as I do it, I'm on the dashboard. So these are the tests I have created. These are my batches, the batches of student I take care of. So from the various database I have, so I can create a new batch by this, and it's pretty simple. Name of the batch, and all you need is to upload an Excel file where you can find the sample here. Simply download it and then put the student detail there and upload it over here by clicking this, and this can be done. So let's go to my test, and then if I click on this, then let me download this paper first. Yes, so I created create test, and this is the paper which will open up. So you see, this is the paper we were talking about. We saw it. We can do a little zoom to help us doing it better. So it has around 75 question. Maximum marks is 150. So it means 2 marks for each question, correct option. And the time is 2.5 hours, which means 150 minutes. And this is a simple uh, single choice MCQ, single correct MCQ. So we can have a look here, and then we click. This is the question number one. It has four choice. So marking scheme is two. No negative marks. No, not for any unattempted. So it has a single correct, multiple correct, fill in the blanks. So with this, You can cater to any kind of question, MCQ based question easily, like assertion, reasoning, true false as well. And in the MCQ multiple correct, you can have a partial scoring as well. So since this is a single correct, so I choose single correct. Question number one, I hit add button. So I take the cursor on this and I just start clicking here, making a four radio buttons in front of the choices. Now suppose first option is correct, or maybe second option is correct, I click it again, it becomes blue, and I save it. So first question is here. You can see it's a single correct, correct marks, incorrect marks, and not attempted. I simply go on adding all the questions choices in front of every choices there. And suppose third option is correct, I click here. Third option is this. Suppose fourth option is correct, I don't know actually which is the correct option, but I'm just giving a demo here. So a couple of things we need to take care of while creating is a very simple thing, that your hand should not shake while you are putting the radio buttons, so that they are aligned perfectly well. Second thing, use a laptop or desktop to create the test. After that, you can manage everything over mobile as a teacher. Student can take test on desktop, laptop, or on a mobile. So experience is really good. And so you have 75 questions. So all you need is 35-40 minutes to cover all of them, and without any copy pasting or typing of content or worrying about formatting or redrawing any images. Everything is done with a simple PDF paper. I use it all the time. Now you go ahead and save the test here. Now mm, UGC NET English paper. You can write the same thing in description. You can add more thing. Mock paper, mock paper two. Duration is 150 minutes, so I'll do 150 minutes. So far it's showing only three questions and maximum marks three, because we have done only three questions. You can go ahead and do 75 questions, really easy, pretty simple. And you can add a solution file to this also, so that when a student takes the test, completes the test, the solution file can be accessible, so that they can go ahead and see the explanation and everything. I save it here, and as soon as I save it, it starts showing in my dashboard a number of questions, maximum marks, duration. So there are a couple of options which I can delete this paper, or I can send this test to other colleagues or teachers. So suppose if you have a data entry operator who is creating tests this way, they can send it to teachers, and teachers can send it across the link to WhatsApp group or Telegram channel or whatsoever. So that can be shared. This is the edit. If I click on edit, I can go back to the edit panel and start editing the questions very easily. This is a schedule part which talks about the paper is how to schedule a paper. So there are two options: close ended and open ended. Close ended means a specific time and date. Suppose on Sunday 3 to 5 p.m. or 3 to 6 p.m. you want to take do the test. Or open-ended is you have a starting time but no ending time, and you do it manually whenever you want to stop. And the student batches you have, so suppose these two batches you want to allocate it to, and so these students will have access to the test. If you want to allow external student, any student can take a test, then you have to click this and then hit the schedule. So as soon as you do it, everything is done, and now you can share the detail, um, copy the URL and share the detail in your WhatsApp group, Telegram channel, or simply on social media, so that student can take the test. This is to pause the scheduling or re-enter the edit schedule again for this test. You can have, once the test is created, you can have multiple schedule of the test and given to any number of student you want. This is the share button. You can share the test which is made by you to others, teachers or colleagues, wherever you want. So this is a great tool. And as you can see, the simple PDF, which is very stubborn format, but a great format because it's very small. The formatting does not shake that way, and it looks really good. So we use a lot of PDF, but the flip side of using PDF is obviously it's very difficult to play around with, and we have to do a lot of copy pasting, etc., to make it in an online test out of it. So rather than that, I use this platform, which makes my life very easy, especially when I don't have a fleet of data entry operator to work upon these things. So it has worked for me. Hopefully, it will work for you. All the best. Thank you.